Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Azmat Education. In this video, we are going to discuss about Oraon tribe. In this, we will discuss about Oraon tribe's social life, political life, economic life, and religious life. So let's move on to the video. Nowadays, Oraon people are found in Chota Nagpur of Bihar and Odisha. The young people of Oraon tribes are beautiful and healthy, but in their last stages, their physical condition is not very good. These people were of shorter stature, long head, and wide noses. Mostly their color is black and dark. Generally, their hair is thick and curly, their chest is broad and strong, their jaws are prominent, their lips are thin, and the roots of their nose is sunken. Social life. To make their body look beautiful, Oraon people mostly get tattoos on their hands and feet. The ears of boys and girls are pierced, in which beautiful jewelry is worn. Their women often go to work with open chest, that is, they are used to wearing less clothes. Young men often cover their bodies with a dhoti. The women of the Oraon tribes wear a scarf like cloth from waist to knee, which is called khanriya. These people usually wear karima during festivals. The upper part of their body remains open, but women from good families wore coded saris. Children of the people of Oraon tribes remain naked till the age of 3 4 years. Meanwhile, boys and girls wear putli. Their women prefer to wear brass ornaments. Apart from brass ornaments made of metals other than brass are used. Women's ears and arms are filled with ornaments. There are 7 thick bracelets from the wrist to the elbow. Apart from this, she wear a copper bangle, which these people called Rashnayan in their languages. There is a thick sickle around the neck along with many other sickles. The Oraon tribe is rich. The women of the family wear silver beads or chandravamala. Similarly, they also have small ornaments in their ears. As a result, the attention of the visitors to the Oraon tribes fall only on the women of Oraon. Around tribal men also decor their bodies. Ghum Kadia as an important organization of the young men and women of the Oraon. Caste. The Oraon people call it Jokharpa in their language. There is no separate caste among Oraon people for doing businesses. Their women sell the crops grown in the field in the nearby market. Rice and pulses are their main crops. Sometimes coins are also trades here, but generally things are done by exchanging various things. In the rural market, traders sell tobacco, salt, clothes, spices, jaggery, sugar, threads, and needles, and buy gills and vegetables from Oram women in exchange for them. The life of men of Oran tribe is mostly busy in farming work. For setting up the market, the Oran people consult in the village and select a suitable place. Apart from the sacrifice of a goat on the day of commencement of the market, in some village a buffalo is sacrificed to appease the spirit. People from nearby areas came and eat the meat of that animal and then drink local liquor. This market belongs to the villagers, therefore, no landlord has the right to impose tax on them. Apart from farming, the youth of Oraon tribe hunt wild animals. Women bring wood from the field, prepare food, and take care of their houses. During winter, young men and women woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and during the rainy season and summer, before dawn at the 3 o'clock, women prepare straws after sunrise. One woman collect cow dung in the basket, another woman collect water, and someone goes to cook food. After that, they mix water with cow dung and plaster the house with it. And the raw man plow the fields with plow and oxen and return in the afternoon to wash their hands and face, take bath in a canal, spring or pond, and then have food. Generally, women eat after the men eat. Men also hunt fish generally around. Women prepare the food, but during big festivals, young unmarried men prepare the food. In the Oraon tribe, unmarried boys and girls are given education through an institution called Yuvagri. At this place, he teaches religion and the work of magic. At the same time, social and moral education is also given to the youth here. Dancing and singing is the main event of the night for the residents of Dhumkuria of Oraon village. At night, they dance and sing together in the village area. On the occasion of festivals, people keep dancing and singing for several days and nights continuously. Girls also came from their respective houses in some villages. Men and boys are made to sit in a line according to their heights. Girls also have made to stand in the second row in the same manner through Ramamen. These people not only entertain and themselves, but also avoid sorrow and diseases and pray to God for the progress of their agriculture production and cattle. There is no other festival bigger than Yatra for raw boys and girls. Boys and girls from many regions participate in this. There are many songs in this festival through which young men and women develop their love and choose their life partner, but their marriage depend on the permission of their parents. In the Oraon tribe, the practice of marriage outside their village is found, and there is a practice of classification in their kinship. The people of Oraon tribe call all the people from one generation by the same name. This is the reason why an Oraon calls his fathers and his father's brothers as Ba. Similarly, he calls his mother and all the women with whom his father may marry only a you. In the Oro tribe, the name by which one of the relatives is called is treated according to that name. It happens with all the relatives of one generation. It does not consider whether those people are our own or strangers. For example, if Raju and Sonu have the relation of uncle and nephew, then Sonu has relation with the people whom Raju calls brothers and sisters. Marriage cannot take place here. Apart from this, the information about cross cousin marriage can be gathered from the fact that these people call maternal uncle and father in law only as uncle. Similarly, these people call aunt and uncle. The method of acquiring property in a round tribe is ancestral. The woman remains depend on her husband. Around's properties goes to his son after his death. The eldest son of the family is the head of the family who gets more share of the property than others brothers at the time of division of property. In case of not having children, there is a practice of keeping or adopting an adopted son, who then became the owner of his property. If a widow marries someone else, she does not get a share in the wealth of her first husband. Different types of animals and plants are the totems of the Oraon tribe. Once an Oraon was laying in the shade of a plum tree. A branch fell there, but the Oraon did not suffer any pain. Therefore, the man accepted the date plant as his totem, and his progeny were also called Kurvanshi. According to a legend, once an Oraon started catching a tortoise. The turtle said, "I belong to your caste." On this, Oraon left the tortoise. From then onwards, his descendants were called Turtle Vanshi. Generally, the Oraon people do not kill or keep totem objects but respect them, considering them as a scared and religious object. Political life. As far as the political life of the Oraon tribe is concerned, the Gram Panchayat has a very wide authority. Those decision is accepted by every villagers. The Panchayat look after all the affairs of the village and take appropriate decision on dispute. When any important event occurs, the Mahto of the village gather all the members of the panchayat in the village akhada. Thereafter, the opposing parties are called, and all an appropriate decision is given. Generally, a guilty person is given physical punishment, but if he accused of witchcraft, such as person is beaten and expelled from the village. Generally, the method of taking oath among them is that the person making the oath takes some money, dung, and dust and puts it on his head. But doing this, it is expected that if he lies, he will have to suffer a lot. Economic life. Farming is the main occupation of the people of Oraon tribe, but their farming is not so advanced that they can support themselves. That is why their economic condition is very bad. The Oraon people sustain themselves from wild leaves and roots in a state of extreme helplessness. They take loan of money on interest from moneylenders. After the harvest during September, October, and November, raw people usually go to work in Calcutta or nearby industrial cities, from where they return by April, May, and do farming. These people repay their loan by doing job from outside. As a result of high interest rates, raw people have to pay many times the actual amount. Sometimes they have to sell their lands to repay the loan. As a result, they become helpless and go to work in the plantation of Assam. Their financial condition has worsened due to their habit of drinking alcohol. Therefore, the Oraon people are poor, and even most of the Oraons work as laborers in the field of landlords or plow the field at reasonable wages. Hence, they neither have a good house to live in nor good food to eat. But now the reform work has been started by the government, and the interest rate on loan rupee has also been reduced. Education is also spreading. Christian missionaries have done a great deal for their welfare and moral and economic progress. Nowadays, an Oraon Munda Education Committee has been formed, which is doing the great work of imparting education. Religious life. Religious activities and magic of Oraon tribe. The purpose of various method is to achieve a success in hunting and increase the number of children. After admission in Dhumkuria Institute, the Oraon boys are given knowledge of social and religious duties. The members of this organization are called dhangars. Every dhangars brings three earthen jugs after his entry. On the next day, he goes completely naked with his jug to a nearby village and secretly fetches water from the river or a spring of that village which is belonged to ensure that he will get good prey in the future. After that, he brings the filled jug and hides it in such a place in the village that no one else can see it. If any person sees those utensil or came to know about them, then that boy keep those utensil in some unknown place. By looking at this place, Dhangar Mahato understand which boys have paid full attention of jug by bringing water. If a rat, squirrel, or any insect is found in a boy's jug, then people consider it a good omen, and it is expected that the boy will get big prey by the falling of the whips. It is understood that he will get more prey of small animals, but if nothing is found in a boy's jug, then it is considered that the boy has not worked diligently, and he is cautioned to pay special attention. At the beginning of Fagun, Dhangar Mahato takes all the Dhangars on a tour of the village where there is a idol of Chandi Devi. After reaching there, the boys pour their jug its water and the insect laying in it at the feet of the idol. By doing this, Chandi Devi becomes happy. It is there that the Dhangar Mahato tells on which date the hunting of Fago Sundara, that is Fagun, will be started. One day after the early departure on this journey, earlier every family sacrificed a black goat or a dove to Chandi Devi. The place of sacrifice is where there are a samar or castor tree of a Fagun festival. Then the boy purified the place with the water from the jug. At this scared place, they keep their weapons and color their weapons with the blood of sacrificed animals. Next day, they leave for hunting. They do this so that any bad person seeing them leaving does not spoil their omen. After returning from hunting, they stop near the village and distribute the meat there. If you are still watching our video and find the video helpful for you, then do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button to motivate us, and don't forget to comment down below. Thanks for watching.